Ah, time. Wait, hang on. Yeah. Right, yeah. It's not gonna work. What the fuck? You look like you're...
Right,
what the fuck are you doing?
I'm hiding my belly. Wait.
What are you doing? All right, so we have...
Dude, it looks like I got boobs. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
We have just found all that wood. I'm trying to... It's like a mirror image.
Over there.
I go this way, it goes that way. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. It's hard because the phone is backwards. See? I go... Oh, hey. So... we got the bikes. We got the wood. Now it's working right. What the hell? It's switched. All right. Now.
I do not feel as fat as I look.
Well, you should. So we have our tents. Not tits. Tents. See, it's... Oh, no, it's working. Okay. There's lots of bugs, but we have bug repellent. So they get here and they're like, yeah, and they leave. And then the other ones come and go, yeah, and they leave. And it's just this continuous thing that happens. So, we put our grub in there because there's bears. Wait, bears.
Wait.
Yes, there they are. Everything is in there. Oh, dude, it took us so long to close that.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. All right, he's gonna close it. This is really hard. I'm getting used to this. I'm trying. Just, I don't have it down.
Okay,
Look
well,
at all
I'm
the
out.
bugs flying around your head while you're jabbering on about stuff.
Yeah, but they're not touching me.
I know, that's
I
exactly.
have an aura about me.
Smell?
Only goodness comes.
Stink?
Shut up. I don't stink yet. Wait till tomorrow.
I don't
Tomorrow will
want
be fucking nasty.
But these bugs, like I was saying, they're not landing on him.
Try.
I'm crushing your head. I'm crushing it. I'm crushing your
Fuck
head.
off.
I saw that on Kids in the Hall or something. I don't remember.
Oh.
It's a funny show.
Off with deep.
Off with deep. It works because these bugs are everywhere, man. They're just like swarming.
Yeah, they just aren't landing. I also sprayed my pants though. My waterproof pants.
Did you have Taco Bell last
That I
night?
can my waterproof pants.
Oh,
that
not
I can,
that kind of spray.
that I can slide in at 100 miles an hour.
It's-
I was worried about them penetrating my pants, so I sprayed my pants. Dude, it worked.
Your waterproof pants, you ate at Taco Bell, now you can slide in them.
No, I ain't talking about. Where are they out today? I don't remember.
So the waterproof,
shit, I
so
had those little chicken fucking things at the holiday.
those chicken things, yeah, that's
Oh,
why.
That's even worse.
That's why you need That's why you need waterproof pants. It keeps it all in. That way, if you're in front of me, and when he slides, he'll be sliding around. Never mind.
It'd make for a quicker slide.
Inside your pants anyway. But outside, they'd still be skidding. I mean,
Well, yeah, but
no
I mean,
pun intended there
once you wear out the pants,
Right,
you will slide better.
right.
You will have a cushion in between you and the pavement. Okay, put that in your mind, because that is,
Trying to get it out of
Nasty.
my mind.
yeah, it's nasty.
Going to sleep like babies. Sleep like babies.
Like babies.
Baby, sleep like a baby.
What I mean is,
What I mean,
What do people say I mean? They haven't even said anything. And they're like, why do you have to explain what you mean? So here we are. We have this
beautiful fire. You like it? He likes it.
but listen to the sound though. This is the thing. I mean,
what I mean is,
I want to
Like, express this. This is our experience, okay? It's a fire, campfire, bikes, trees in face. Damn it. Okay, and this.
This is why we are here. We rode those. We have that. And, well, okay, but here's the deal. Oh, please continue.
That's dull.
You got it. You win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Civilization! Oh! Help! Help! Wait. We don't need help. We don't need help. Sorry. I was just practicing for when we're on a deserted island.
What I mean is,
I mean, I feel like
I feel like we're not stranded. We could be.
burn, bitch.
okay, so we're rolling. It's 1 a.m., dude.
Yeah, my shit ain't burning.
No, it's 1 a.m. Look how light it is.
Well, I know. I'm fucking here. I know that.
Why do you gotta say the F word, dude?
I'm sort of here. I know that.
This is gonna reach the masses.
It is not.
It is.
Nobody fucking cares what we're doing.
What?
Sorry.
Hey!
Nobody sort of cares what we're doing.
Sort of cares. Yeah, there you go. That's better.
Wait, I got Brad to play with.
It's still sunny out. I mean, well, it's not sunny. Not sunny. It's not sunny, but
What I mean is. What you mean is.
what you do is,
What you do is. That's for you, Gary. It's for
Yeah,
you.
that's for
What
you,
I
bro.
mean is.
What I mean is, no. What you do is,
What you do is.
I
Do
mean,
this.
what's the other phrase? I mean, but the other phrase is, oh, I feel like. I feel like this fire is,
What I feel like
is
is
hot.
I should pull up my pants.
It feels like he should pull his pants up. So he feels like this fire is hot.
I feel like this video is stupid.
The river in stereo. Let's go like this.
Well, what does it do when you do that?
Dude, it's like it puts the river in stereo. It's fucking
Stereo?
It's awesome. It's like stereo. It's like stereo system in here.
Explain that. What do you mean, stereo?
I am. Can't you hear me? It's like stereo system. Oh, dude, you gotta try it.
No, I can't hear you.
Oh, wait, you might have to be drunk.
Huh?
You might have to be drunk.
I think I am.
Also, rub your hands together because, rubbing your hands together keeps your hands warm. Unlike a 900-degree fucking oven, you dumbass.
Well, we're past that. What were you saying
No,
about?
I can't get that out of my head. You sitting over there rubbing your hands together. Oh, this makes it warm. You're sitting in front of fucking fire. What the hell?
You're such an idiot.
Yep.